Hello everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Primrose stitch. It's a pretty and easy stitch that you can use for many projects. Grab your hooks and yarn and let's get started. Let's start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot. And then insert the hook into the loop and we will get started with the foundation chain. Here we need to make a multiple of 3 plus 2 chains as the foundation. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the third chain. Just like that we will complete a multiple of 3 plus 2 chains. I have done 35 stitches altogether. This is what the foundation chain will look like, and then we are going to go into the back loops of the chain in the first round. These are the back loops of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. You can see the back loops if you turn the work, and we will go into the back loop. We need to go into the third back loop from here. This is the third back loop. Go into the third back loop and work a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a single crochet. Again chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work another single crochet into the very same back loop. So go into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. And then again we need to work a single crochet into the third back loop from here. This is the third back loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And chain 2 and work another single crochet into the same back loop. So go into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again we will go into the third back loop from here. 1, 2, 3. This is the third back loop. Insert the hook into the third back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 2 and work another single crochet into the very same back loop. Now this is the exact pattern we need to repeat until the end of the row. So complete the row by repeating the pattern and meet me back there at the end. Now I'm at the end of the row. Go into the third loop and work a single crochet and chain 2 and work another single crochet into the very same back loop. Now we have completed up to here. We are left with 2 chains. So we are going to work a half double crochet into the very last stitch here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the very last stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now I have completed the first row. It looks like this. and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then turn your work to start with the next round. Here we are going to work 3 double crochets into each one of these chain 2 spaces. So we will go into the very first chain 2 space here, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets. This is the third one. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Again, work another 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Again, work another 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Just like that, we are going to repeat until the end of the row. This is the end of the row 2. Now we will work 3 double crochets into the very last chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to work a double crochet into the turning chain over here. So insert the hook into the turning chain at the end of the row and work the double crochet. Now we have completed the second round as well. This is what it looks like. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, then turn your work to start with row 3. There we need to skip 2 stitches and work a single crochet into the third stitch on top of the middle double crochet on the set over here into this stitch. Now we will insert the hook into the third stitch here, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2 and work another single crochet into the very same stitch. Again, from here skip 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet into the third stitch on top of the middle double crochet. So go into the third stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and chain 2 and work another single crochet into the very same stitch. Like that we will continue. Skip 2 stitches and work a single crochet into the third stitch, chain 2 and work another single crochet into the very same stitch. 1 single crochet, chain 2 and another single crochet into the very same stitch. Just repeat the same pattern until the end of the round and meet me back there at the end. Now I'm at the end of the row. Now we need to skip 1 stitch and work a half double crochet into the turning stitch over here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the turning chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. With that, we have completed the third row as well. This is what it looks like. Again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then work 3 double crochets into each one of the chain 2 spaces. We will start from the very first chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Again work 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Like that, we will just repeat the pattern until the end of the row. This is the end of the row. Here we need to work a double crochet into the very last stitch of the round, that is the turning chain in the previous row. With that, we have completed the fourth row as well. This is what it looks like. And then chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, and we can just repeat the same pattern from row 2 to 4 until you get the desired length of the project. Now I will complete another few rows by repeating the pattern and meet you back there at the end. This is the end of the work. I'm going to work one last double crochet into the turning chain over here. To finish up, we will chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. This is what the final project will look like. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning the Primrose stitch. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Happy crocheting!